silky chickens, fluffy bunnies, secret lederhosen. For decades,
Science has searched for the coziest element in the universe. And eureka! We finally found it.
Hi, this is Dr. Pupstein, PhD causologist. This is her assistant, Igor. Her life's work is officially complete. The coziest element in the universe is the Oodie.
The what?
The Oodie. How cozy is it, you may ask? Really cozy. The doctor and Igor ran many tests to determine the exact extent of its coziness. And what they discovered is that its coziness factor is based on a combination of buttery flannel fleece on the outside and warm Sherpa fleece on the inside. And as you can see here, there is no doubt that due to its unmet quality, wearing one feels like being hugged, but all of the time. Their research also revealed that it's 10% longer than other wearable blankets. And intriguingly, completely machine washable. Oh, and it's also 100% vegan and cruelty-free, and has a huge pocket, which for a scientist is of course essential. We have at last found the softest element in the universe, so grab one for yourself at theoodie.com. You'd be barking mad not to.